just like that, she's ready to go back in the car. Got the calipers that were on the back side of the axle, now on the front side. Got new flexible lines from the caliper up to the hard line. Had to do that because the original ones, just the angle just wouldn't work with them being on the front side. I did read that some people were able to get that to work. I didn't want to bend it, maybe cause it to crack. I just didn't feel like taking that chance, especially with the brakes. So I went with new ones. Took the metal, cut it up, made myself a little axle cradle. The only thing that I had to go buy was the all thread, because that's the only thing I didn't have here in the garage. So I think it'll work. It'll make it a lot easier to get it into the car. Coming out, kind of had to play the whole jack stand shuffle, lowering it down. Wasn't really fun. Don't want to do it again. Rather take a few hours and scrap metal and make this. And I really think it's going to make going in a lot easier. And if I ever have to take it out, I'm going to basically hang on to that, store it away somewhere in the shop, and if I ever need to take it out again, I've got this. Okay, here's the last piece I had to install. Double adjustable coilovers. So once I get the ride height set, I'll tighten up lower control arm bolts, and we'll be ready to go have some fun.